Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about something really important, something that has completely changed the way I live my life, and that is celebrating the little things. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, yeah, I have heard this before, just hear me out because I know what it is like to feel stuck in life, to feel like nothing exciting is happening, to wait for something big to finally make you happy. And trust me, that is the biggest mistake we all make. For the longest time, I was chasing after the big moments, the ones we are told matter the most, the big achievements, the life changing events, the grand milestones. I thought happiness would come when I finally reached those points. But here is the thing, life doesn't work that way. And honestly, I was missing out on so much joy in the process. Have you ever noticed how we attach happiness to some future event? I will be happy when I graduate. I will be happy when I get my dream job. I will be happy when I have more success, money, more time. The list never ends. We keep delaying our happiness, waiting for something big to happen. And while doing that, we completely ignore the small, beautiful moments happening right now. And then what happens? We reach that big goal, and guess what? The excitement lasts for a few days, maybe weeks, and then we move on to chasing the next thing. It is like running on a treadmill. You keep moving, but you are not really going anywhere when it comes to happiness. So one day I decided enough of this. I don't want to wait for happiness. I don't want to wait for something big to feel like life is worth celebrating. I want to celebrate every single day, every little moment, no matter how small it is. And you know what? That change everything. Let's talk about the little things that we often take for granted. That first sip of coffee or chai in the morning, the way the sky looks just before sunset, all orange, pink, and golden, hearing your favorite song on shuffle when you were not expecting it, that tiny relief you feel when you finally sit down after a long day, laughing so hard that your stomach hurts, a cool breeze on a hot day, when someone randomly remembers something you said a long time ago. These are the things that make life beautiful. But how often do we actually stop and appreciate them? We experience these little joys every single day, but we are so busy worrying about what is next that we don't even notice them. So I started doing something simple. I started paying attention. One of the best things I ever did for myself was to romanticize my life, and no, I don't mean in a cheesy, unrealistic fairy tale way. I mean seeing beauty in the ordinary. Think about it, when you watch a movie, even the smallest scenes feel magical, right? The main character wakes up and stretches as the sun shines through their window. They sip coffee while looking outside. They listen to music while walking down the street. These are normal things, but the way they are shown makes them feel special. But so, why not treat your own life the same way? Why not find magic in the small moments instead of waiting for something big to feel excited? Ever since I started doing this, even the most basic days feel meaningful. A simple walk outside feels peaceful, washing my face at night feels refreshing, watching the rain feels like therapy. Because here is the truth, life is not made up of just big moments, it is made up of tiny everyday moments. And if you don't learn to enjoy them, you will miss out on 99% of your life. Another thing that really changed my mindset is acknowledging small wins. Most of us don't give ourselves credit unless we do something huge. But let me ask you this, if your friend accomplished something small, wouldn't you congratulate them? Wouldn't you tell them that's amazing, keep going? So why don't we do that for ourselves? You woke up early today, that's a win. You drank enough water, that's a win. You did one productive thing, even if it was a small, that's a win. Because every small step counts. Every tiny effort adds up, and when you start recognizing and celebrating them, You feel motivated instead of constantly feeling like you are not doing enough. I know what some of you might be thinking, but what if I'm going through a rough time? How can I celebrate anything when life feels hard? And I get it, trust me, I do. Life is not always easy. There are tough days, stressful moments, and times when nothing seems to be going right. But even in those moments, there is always something small to be grateful for. Sometimes it is just the fact that you made it through another day, and that alone is worth celebrating. Happiness is not about having a perfect life, it is about noticing the good things even when life is imperfect. So, if you take anything from this, let it be this: don't wait to be happy. Don't wait for big achievements, a big event, or a perfect moment, because happiness is not something you find at the end of a journey, it is something you create along the way. Start romanticizing your life, start noticing the small joys, start celebrating every little win, because one day you will look back and realize it was never just the big moments that mattered. It was all the little ones too, and that is a life worth living, okay?